Hello students. Today we are going to see about the development of surface. Okay. Here's a question. A hexagonal prism of base height 20 mm, height 45 mm is resting on one of its end on HP. Okay, given us the hexagonal prism, side is 20 mm, height 45 mm is resting on one of its end on HP with two of its lateral faces perpendicular to VP. Okay. Then they are given us it is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 30 degree to HP. The cutting plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined 30 degree to HP. The plane meets the axis at a distance of 20 mm above the base. The cutting plane meets the axis at a distance of 20 mm above the base. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the lower portion of the prism. First of all, we have to draw the simple position of a hexagonal prism resting on HP with the two of its lateral face perpendicular to BP. Draw a XY line. Draw a simple position of a hexagonal prism. Further, the hexagonal shape is visible only in the top view. Okay. In front view, we can see a rectangular shape. Mark the points. 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E, 6F. The top portion of the hexagon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and bottom faces A, B, C, D, E, F. In top view, we can see only the top portion of the hexagon. The bottom portion is invisible. So we put it in bracket. Now we are going to do the front view of the hexagonal prism. Project the points to XY line. The axis height is given as 45 mm. Okay. So we should draw the 45 mm line. Okay. This is the front view of the hexagonal prism. Mark the points in bottom A dash bracket F dash, B dash in bracket E dash, C dash in bracket D dash. The same in top of the hexagon is 1 dash in bracket 6 dash, 2 dash in bracket B dash, sorry, 5 dash, 3 dash in bracket 4 dash. Then we have to draw a cutting plane. Okay. The cutting plane is inclined 30 degree to HP and meets the axis at a distance of 20 mm above the base. So we have to mark a 20 mm from the base of the hexagon. Base means this one A, B, C, D, these points. From this we have to mark a 20 mm. Approximately it will become here. Okay. The 30 degree inclined to HP. Place your protractor in this point and measure 30 degree and draw a line. So you have to mark a cutting plane like this only. So mark the points for the cutting plane. So the first point is P dash. Second point is Q dash. And third point is R dash. And the next point, so the cutting points P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay. So the next step is we have to draw a development of this hexagonal prism. For that, we have to draw a parallel line from the top of the hexagonal prism parallel to this XY line. Okay. Draw a line by connecting these two lines. Mark it as 1 and capital A. So for hexagonal prism, we are having 6 sides. But each side have 20 mm side. Take a compass and measure a side of 20 mm and cut an arc from point A continuously and divide this line into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The distance between these lines is 20 mm, which is given as a side of 20 mm. For hexagonal, we are cutting 6 continuous arcs. If we are given as pentagon means we will cut 5 continuous arcs. According to the side, we have to divide this line. Join all the all the points B, C, D, E, F, and E. Start with the point A and end with the point the same way in top. So start with 1 and end with also 1. Okay. Now we are going to transfer this PQRSTU points into the development of the hexagonal prism. A simple way is we have to draw a straight line and parallel to the hexagon line. Draw a straight line which is parallel to that hexagon line from all the cutting points like this. Okay. Then mark the points PQRS as per this procedure, which is the point P belongs to 1A line. Okay, 1A line is here. The point P is here only. We are having two 1A lines, so mark the point in both the two lines. P here also P. The U point is belongs to 6F line. So as 6F line, the same line here. Mark it as U. The Q point is belongs to 2B. T point belongs to 5. The same way, mark the points R and S in 3C and 4B. The final step is you have to join all the points by using the scale. Draw the lines like this. So this is the development of a hexagonal prism. Is a cutting plane in plane 30° to HP. Mark all the dimensions as per the procedure. Okay. Thank you.